Hi, welcome back. So I recently asked for you guys to really give me some questions that I can help answer and make your lives a little bit easier. So here's one that I got from you. So here's a question that I got, and it is, how do I clean my house? How do I do Fly Lady? How do I do zone cleaning? How do I do that with a baby? Well, you do it on their schedule. That's the honest to goodness truth. You have to go by their schedule. So depending on how old the child is, if the child's a newborn, then the good thing with that is that they're sleeping most of the time. So that's kind of nice, right? But then when they start wanting to move around and things like that, how do you keep it all going? So if they're old enough to be in like a swing or a bouncer, I'm not saying stick them in there and leave them there. But for a little bit of time, you can actually put them inside that bouncer and do some stuff inside of that room. If they're in a walker, then bring them into the same room that you're gonna be and let them walk. So that's one thing you can do. And then there's always the glorious, glorious nap time. That's nice, right? So nap time, we just want to sit on the couch and just, relax, but we can't. Well, we can, but maybe there's something else that we could be doing that we can't do when they're out. That's something you can do. You really want to schedule it around them. Now, how do you fly with kids that are a little bit older, maybe toddler or we'll go toddler because they're going to be the messy ones, right? So with the toddler, that's when you need to really make it into a huge game. You can get them to go and help you do a room rescue. Set your timer for 5 minutes and you have to run, right? I'll actually post a link up here. I'm not sure where it's going to be, but I'll put a link up there to a playlist of Fly Lady songs, and they're really great to go and have on, and you'll find that the kids will be just bebopping and singing along. My 14-year-old, she's now 14. Crazy. Wild. Anyway, my 14-year-old, she knows the song Room Patrol. And the crazy thing about that is she was maybe 3. I think she was about 3 the last time I did Fly Lady. So she can still sing part of that song because it's so ingrained in her head. And we would run and hurry up and pick up stuff. So get the kids involved. Remember, they can help with some of these things. It may not be done perfect, but it's progress, and progress, not perfection. So get them to help you, absolutely. Now, if they're of school age, that's when things are gonna be a little bit more interesting. So they can actually help. They may not be able to do it to perfection. Again, it's progress, not perfection, but you can get them started on their own routines, and that's definitely gonna help as well. So hopefully that answered it for you. And if you want, check out one of my other videos. I have one on the right. And if you want to be notified the next time that I have another video out, go ahead and click on my face to the left and hit the bell notification icon. So that way you could be notified the next time I have one out. You have a wonderful day.